Today we'll talk about the best vitamins that reverse nerve damage. Feeling sharp zaps or electric jolts in your toes or your feet, pins and needles, numbness, poor balance, always freezing cold or wide awake at 3 a.m. with racing thoughts? These are all signs that your nerves may be damaged or even overstimulated. And if you leave it too long, they can often get worse. Today, I'll share the best vitamins and nutritional compounds for various nerve problems. Now, for tingling or numbness in the hands and feet, the absolute best nutrient is called vitamin B1 or thiamine. Thiamine is essential because it helps nerve signals transmit through the nervous system properly and helps reduce that pins and needles sensation that is often a result of high blood sugars or people who are on a high carbohydrate diet. If this is a consistent problem, you may want to try a form called benfotiamine, and a typical dose is around 300 milligrams twice per day, which is a total of 600 milligrams a day. In cases like carpal tunnel, where the issue is more in your wrists or fingers, vitamin B6 in a form called P5P may also help. But what if you're feeling a burning or a shooting pain, particularly at night? This is also common in people who have diabetes, where inflammation can be damaging the nerves. It could even be a pinched nerve in your spine. People often turn to R-alpha lipoic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce nerve inflammation and oxidative stress. 600 milligrams of alpha lipoic acid 3 times per day, 1800 milligrams in total, is commonly used in studies for these issues. Another sign your nerves may be struggling is when you start to feel physically weaker. You may start to lose your balance or have trouble coordinating your body as things start to slow down. This is also tied to sensory nerve dysfunction, where the outer coating around the nerves is getting broken down. Vitamin B12 is essential for helping the motor nerves and the outer coating around those nerves to repair. A form of B12 called methylcobalamin at a dosage of 1800 milligrams per day is often used to support healthy myelin regeneration. And overthinking at night is related to overstimulated nerves because of high cortisol or stress. So essentially your brain gets stuck in analyzing the problem mode and it won't switch off. Magnesium glycinate, containing 200 milligrams of elemental magnesium on the label 1 hour before bed, can often help with this, along with a form of vitamin B1 called TTFD or allithiamine. Magnesium and B1 work synergistically to calm down overactive nerve signals that may be keeping you awake. And sharp and electric zap sensations are called allodynia or heightened nerve sensitivity, and this can happen when too much calcium enters the nerve cells, making them overactive. Again, magnesium glycinate and alpha lipoic acid can work synergistically here for much needed relief. But do always make sure to drink a lot of water when you're using supplements so that they're fully activated and absorbed. And there's also brain fog. Finding it hard to think, recall information, or remember why you entered a room? This common issue relates to how quickly the brain is communicating with the rest of the body through the nervous system. Getting more choline from egg yolks can help your body build more acetylcholine for better nerve communication and thinking clarity. Or some people take 250 milligrams of CDP choline or alpha GPC from supplements, which are the most powerful forms available. And blurry vision. Blurry vision is also a common issue where the capillaries in the eyes get damaged by high blood sugars. So the nerves stop receiving the oxygen and the nutrients that they need for good vision. Zinc is a wonderful antioxidant for the eyes, and you can get this easily by eating more shellfish. If you wanted to use a supplement, zinc glycinate or bisglycinate is the best form at 25 milligrams per day with a single milligram of copper for balance. And as a side note, copper creams and supplements may also help relieve sciatica-related nerve pain. And one additional point I'd like to make is when people get a drooping mouth on one side of the face. This type of facial paralysis can happen when a certain virus infects the facial nerve and causes an inability to control facial muscles. Some people like to use higher doses of lysine between 1,000 and 3,000 milligrams per day to help suppress this virus and support nerve recovery. Vitamin B12, B6, B1 and zinc discussed throughout this video are also very useful to support the immune system and help regenerate facial nerves. Are there any nerve issues that you'd like me to talk more about? Let me know in the comments below. In the next video, I go deeper with a lifestyle action plan on repairing nerve damage internally. So watch the video on screen now if you'd like that information. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.